What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today, although a quick short vlog, we have some serious stuff to talk about. Number one, actually off camera, what happened on the rally was I was being guided into a parking spot and I was guided into essentially a curb. It's funny because I asked her, how much room do I have? And she's like, oh, you got lots of room, you got lots of room. And I hit the curb and she's like, oh, I was looking at the front. So what needs to be dealt with on this car is it's very plain. Although it looks aggressive, it doesn't jump out to me, you know? So we're gonna go hit up Cody, we're gonna get some stuff done, and I feel like if we kind of go with a C8R look, like this, I think it's gonna look pretty cool. You guys will have to drop me a comment. We also have another serious thing to address, and we'll get there when we get there. Let's do this. Let's get it down to Cody's shop, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about, because I think it'll just make the car pop that much more having some bright colors on it. And you know me, because I like bright colors. If you guys have been on my channel for any amount of time, you'd remember that I in fact took a blue Lamborghini with Aventador with black wheels, and I turned it into a orange one with blue wheels, and then a blue one with white wheels. So that's just how I roll. And we've arrived, guys. Cody's actually in for a surprise because he doesn't even know I'm showing up, and he looks busy. Oh my god. Woo-wee. Cody, you told me I clashed. I mean, you're not wrong, but I mean, it's a race car, right? Maybe it's in the building over here. There it is.
Oh, fancy. I like it.
Does it look race car?
Looks way more race car.
Yeah, I think so.
Full race car.
What do you think, Cody?
It's full race car.
For driven tomorrow? Well, that's it guys. We got it home and I think it looks fantastic. Tomorrow we have the YXC Driven Car Show, and I think it's gonna look good there, especially inside. Last year it was a little bit dark, so I don't know what they have for a venue this year planned, but we'll see. I wanna hear from you guys. What's the fate of the C8 Corvette? This Corvette in particular, do we twin turbo this one, or what do we do? The standard, or the, I don't know how to say this nicely, the age group people make fun of, like the 60-year-old men driving it, is such a boring car to drive. There's no excitement to driving a Corvette. But I feel like some blow-off valve or wastegate noise, a turbo noise, you know, if you put some screamer pipes on it from a turbo, that would sell, and I think it would be fantastic. You guys let me know, drop me a comment. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Peace.